Hopefully this never happens to you, but the client said that his mom was having a major depressive episode and that she wasn't getting out of bed. You know what I'm talking about. They didn't know what to do about it, but then she fell and broke her arm. And when they had to take her to the doctor, they found out that she had not been making her payments for Medicare Part B, and she had lost Medicare Part B. So besides the fact that now they have expenses to deal with, and that she's going to have a penalty, and then we have to wait until the general election period to get Part B back, is there any special way to get Medicare Part B back when you have a special exception like this? I mean, we're dealing with older people and things like this happen, right? We're living alone. We have a lot of chronic illnesses. Does the government make a leeway? Yes, you can go onto Google and get this form, SSA-795. This is a special exception to get Medicare Part B back. You're going to go to the Social Security office with a cashier's check to pay back the back Part B that your mom didn't pay. So you gotta first of all pay it back up. Pay it up. Cashier's check. Fill out the form. Your mom doesn't have to go with you, but she at least needs to make a written and signed statement of what happened. And things happen. Just so many things can happen. She needs to sign that. You can take that down to Social Security to open a ticket for them. Then they are going to send this to CMS, to Medicare. They're going to send the reason why it was terminated, the back pay, and she should be able to get reinstated in, I'd say 60 to 90 days. It's going to take a little while. Then when she gets reinstated, you got to write another check for the however long it took them to get her reinstated. You're going to have to pay that Part B back too for those 60 to 90 days. Then she's back in the system, and I don't know if you want to get something set up automatically so that this doesn't happen again. I mean, I don't know what the situation was, why it wasn't set up automatically. All I know is these weird things happen and people lose their Part B, and a lot of times they're just throwing their hands up and they're like, I'm out of the system, I have to pay everything. And there are exceptions. You need to work with an expert that fully understands how Social Security and Medicare work together to try to get this fixed for you. Now, you do have a timeline. They're going to send you a letter that says your Medicare Part B terminated for non-payment. And technically, you have a month after you receive that letter to apply to get it reinstated. But like in this situation, it had been months. You have I can't guarantee that they'll reinstate it, but you have a very good case, again, based on your mom's reasoning why she didn't pay it. I was in a bad car crash and I've been in traction for 2 months and I haven't, people are in a coma for a month. Write down the explanation. They do have the discretion to reinstate it. Again, ideally, you're going to get the letter that says, hey, your Part B was terminated and you have 30 days to get it fixed. If you have more questions about Medicare, we're a third-generation family business. We're here to help you. Go to our website, book an appointment. If you need help with Medicare, it's on the top right corner of our website. Yellow box says book an appointment. It's free. You don't pay for a consultation. You don't pay for our services. We represent over 60 different insurance companies. We're independent contractors. So if you need help with Medicare, give us a call. If you like this video, you might really like this video. Check it out. And we'd appreciate if you subscribe to our channel so you never miss a great video. We put out one every week. Check in the description below this video for a link to our cheat sheet on Social Security and Medicare. And you can also give us a comment if you have a specific question. Always feel free to call us or email us at the Medicare Family.